So you can see trying to put foil around this is painful because there's really no way to get down in there. So I'm not sure how much success I'm going to have with that, but I'm going to use the foil that I have. It's easier to get the foil around a smaller plant. Not to be Captain Obvious, but this Gigantor plant is harder. I got one on this one. Ends up having, I have 1, 2, there's another one here, 3, 4, 5 plants here. I only had 2. Maybe I dropped some seeds. But I wonder if the bug is stupid enough to try, because they're so bound up with these other plants like potatoes, what's that little thing? And beans. Maybe they'll lay them on the wrong plant because they're so close together. But I haven't been able to see any of the eggs anywhere. I don't know what that is. Is that an egg? Maybe it is, but no longer. That could have been an egg. So I'm going to finish putting the foil on all of them.